you can certainly understand the art of living. It is in your hand. That's what the whole discussion going on for the past 1 hour or so. Same situation. Two groups of people. One group is not influenced by that, not affected by it. Another group is always affected by that. Which group we belong to? Are we going to the group which are affected by these external influences or not? How to prevent ourselves, how to protect ourselves. A kind of protection is needed. How to protect in spite of torturous office, torturous boss, and tough situation of making money. That's the main point, today, making money. Competition. Because money solves many issues, solves many issues. Money becomes very important. Yes, it is important. And what cost? What is the cost of it? How much we are going to pay for that? Are we going to pay heart attack for that? Are we going to pay our health for that? Are we going to pay a tension and stress for that? That's a question. What to do? How to be in the competitive world? How to be with the tough people around in relationship? What am I going to do? Am I going to cry in the corner? Oh, what kind of relations I have? These people are torturing me. When I go to office, my boss is torturing me. When I come back to the house, my children torturing me. Are you going to cry?
Are you going to torture your back?
Very simple formula. Very simple formula. Sitting silently, doing nothing, the grass grows by itself. Walking silently, doing nothing, the grass grows by itself. Looking silently, doing nothing, the grass grows by itself. Listening silently, doing nothing, the grass grows by itself. Achieving silently, the grass grows by itself. Fix anything in front of that.
Not achieving silence.
Just be silent, the achievement happens. Allow the body to move. Allowing the body to work. We are unnecessarily tying ourselves with the actions of the body. We think we are doing, we are achieving everything, we are not achieving anything. It is a dangerous statement. We think so. That's why we are getting some heart pain. We think that I am achieving. Drop the idea that you are not achieving. Achievement happen, there will not be any heart pain. This is art of living. This is the truth also. This body has got certain mechanism that is doing everything. It's none of your business. Please understand very deeply. I am not encouraging you, I am not discouraging you either. I am not confusing either. I am only asking you to see the truth. I am not a motivator here. You don't need any motivation. All motivations are really a kind of drama. What you need to understand about the truth about yourself